Long and short sound of A. The short sound of A is A and the long sound of A is A. As we know that whenever the long sound of the vowel comes, it says its own sound. Like A says A in the long sound, and the short sound of A is A. And there are some diphthongs in which two vowels come together to make a one sound. As you can see in this picture, A and Y makes the sound A, the long sound of A. When the long sound of A comes, it comes at the end of the word. As you can see in the word pl, A, play, h, A, hey, tr, A, tray. A and I makes the sound A, and it comes in the middle of the word. As you can see in this word r, a, n, rain, m, a, l, mail, tr, a, n, train. And there is a trick of magically when A comes in the middle and E comes at the end of the word, and it makes the CVC pattern. It makes the sound A, k, a, k, cake, g, a, m, game, l, a, k, lake. It makes the E sound silent at the end. Next one is E. And when E and A comes together, they make the sound E. But in some cases they make the sound A. As in the first sound, in the first word, it makes str, e, streak, br, ache, break, great, great. Okay, if you have any confusion, I have made the video, a detailed video on long and short sound of A. Please go in the playlist and see the all sounds A, long plus short. Thanks for listening. Like, subscribe and share.